Good evening. We begin with the breaking news we've been following all afternoon. The Holly Bobo murder case will soon be in the hands of the jury. The defense rested its case today. News Channel 5's Chris Conti is live in Hardin County. And Chris, Zach Adams actually spoke for the first time, right?
Only to say, Roy, that he would not be taking the stand in his own defense. 6 long years of delays, heartbreak, and anguish have all led up to where we are now, the eve of jury deliberations in the Holly Bobo murder case.
9 days, 60 witnesses, one girl.
I found Holly's notebook.
While the burden of proof is on the state, defense attorneys for Zach Adams were not going down without a fight.
How can anything that he was asked to do or did, if it's not being testified to, be relevant?
She just went through such a long fuss with him.
A final spar between Jennifer Thompson and Jennifer Nichols. Caught in the crossfire, U.S. Marshal John Walker.
Mr. Britt seemed suspicious of the interview. Did I read it wrong?
Walker worked closely with the TBI during the search for Holly Bobo. In 2013, he was sent to a state prison to interview Terry Britt, a convicted rapist who authorities long believed kidnapped, raped, and murdered Holly.
I know you're a sociopath, and I know you have an issue with women. There's no doubt about it, and I understand why you would find Holly Bobo attractive and want her.
Agent Walker then recalled this chilling conversation he had with Britt.
He said, "Sounds like you've had it all figured out. I'll plead to it and you can close the case."
It was the kind of testimony the defense needs to plant reasonable doubt with jurors. Prosecutors fired back, though, trying to discredit TBI agent Terry Dicus, who testified yesterday that he believed Zach Adams couldn't have kidnapped Holly. Dicus was pulled off the case in 2013.
Why was he benched?
In my opinion, based on statements he made as well as statements other agents made to me, he had lost his objectivity. He had tunnel vision on a particular suspect and was not objective about all of the facts coming into the case.
But the last word would belong to Zach Adams.
This is not their decision, this is your decision.
While his words were few, his decision signaled the end is near.
Is it your election not to give testimony?
Yes, sir. It's Dr. Craig.
Are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
You don't feel you've been pressured either way,
No,
to
sir.
give or not to give?
No, sir.
This is your decision.
Yes, sir.
9 days, 60 witnesses, all in an effort to find justice for one girl.
So where do things stand right now? Tomorrow morning, the judge will bring the jury back here and they will be charged. Then we will spend 2 hours on closing arguments. It is very likely that by either noon or 1 o'clock tomorrow, this 12-person jury will begin deliberating the fate of Zachary Rye Adams. We are live in Hardin County this evening. Chris Conti, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Chris.